Alright, some slope soaring in a decent amount of wind now, at least 10 knots, could be even more. The little drift is at its minimum weight. I haven't got the Kopilot in it at the moment. Got the prop brake set, 2S950 battery, which needs to go right forward into the nose, all up weight about 230 grams I think. Bit of trim. Oh, look, the seagull likes it. Look at that. The seagull's following it, look at that. Oh, I really want a rudder for sloping. Beautiful. See if we can throw a loop. Yeah, no worries. Oh, what a beauty. Little acrobatic sloper. Could even use more weight for a bit more penetration maybe. But it's nice and low drag. The wind is a little bit off to my left, so it's slower going back up this way. Faster going back there. It's made for it. Oh, I really want something for me left thumb to do. I think for normal flying you don't need the rudder, but for sloping it would be good. Would it be better with the prop off too? It's going to keep going higher. That might be enough to get it back in. Oh no, we're going out again. No, we're not, we're landing. Whew. Going to try it with 100% throws and a bit more expo now, see how acrobatic we can get. Just have to get used to this amount of throw. Try a roll. Yeah, nice. Oh, I can keep doing it. Yeah, look at that. Very aerobatic. Nice. Oh, look at that. Just keep going. That's crazy. And I'm trying to do rudder turns. Great little plane. See if we can have a dignified landing. It's not easy. We're in the turbulent zone. Come on, a bit closer. Work it close. Whoa, turbulence. That'll do. Oh, wonderful. Alright, so I'll load it up now with a couple of 18650s. This will have to go back as far as possible. CG's pretty right. Alright. I weighted up now to 270 I think. Should have more penetration. faster. Yeah, feels a bit better. And I really want a rudder. What did that bird just do then? Dived out of the way, I think. Whew.